very famous fireworks festival here in Chiba.
Wow.
We're at Makuhari station and it's packed. Are you excited, Yoko? Yeah. It's hot. Super hot. Fucking hot. Side, where people who are either lazy or poor, who don't want to buy tickets, maybe cheap bastards like me. So right now we're walking, I'm hungry, so we're gonna look for some outdoor food stands and get some nice summer festival Japanese food. And are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
And are you thirsty?
Yeah, thirsty.
What do you want to drink?
I want beer.
You want beer? Nice. Alright. And what do you want to eat?
Shagabata.
So this is where all the food stand stuff is. Let's go look at what they have. I think there's a long lineup for for everything, so no matter what you want, you're going to be waiting a long time. Oh, are these Canadian? Mike's hot dogs? Mike's hot dogs. Oh, from Toronto. No way. Countdown. In Canada, where fireworks last for like 10 minutes or whatever, in Japan, these fireworks will last like over an hour, possibly 2 hours. I don't even know how long they are here. Alright, we got our food and beer, and now we're gonna go see if we can find a place where we can actually see fireworks. Like that, behind me. Oh, there you go. You're drinking sangria? Yummy. Good?
I am good.
Yeah. And I'm eating this. What's this? Satsuma?
Satsuma. Sakana no fish.
Fish. Satsuma. Fried fish in chili sauce. And watching fireworks. Ooh. Good life. They're doing shapes. They have like cherries and grape. Oh, there's a star. Cool, they're doing it for sure. That was super cool. People are yelling out what it is as it comes up. I think it's a mushroom. We're about to see the finale. How do you feel?
I'm fine.
How are the fireworks? What are you eating?
Thai food?
Thai food?
Yeah.
Wow, they even have Thai food here. That's cool. It's so dark, I can't really see you, but we're gonna see the finale soon. Are you ready for the finale?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am excited.
Show me your excited face.
Yeah.
Let's see it. I think that was the finale, guys. That's crazy. So there you go. That was fireworks in Makuhari. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video. Leave any comments you want, and if you haven't already, subscribed, right? Ready? You gonna do peace for me? Because I'm holding the camera. Ready? Take care.